The president and founder of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has congratulated the wife of the former head of state, Hajia Maryam Sani Abacha, on the occasion of her 78th birthday. In a statement on Thursday, Professor Gwarzo hailed the former First Lady and President of Nigeria's Army Officers' Wives Association, NAOWA, on the milestone. Professor Gwarzo, who extolled her commitment to fostering peace and unity, lauded the former First Lady for inspiring laudable programs such as African First Ladies Peace Mission, National Program on Immunization, and Family Support Program, among others. He acknowledged the contributions and leadership style of the former First Lady, which he noted had impacted many lives across the country, especially wives of military officers, girl child, rural women, and children when she held sway as the NAOWA President. On behalf of the management of MAAUN Group of Universities, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations to our mother, the former First Lady, Hajia Maryam Abacha, on this auspicious occasion, Professor Gwarzo said. He prayed for her good health and happiness, hoping that her birthday will be filled with the same love and happiness she brings to everyone around her. While wishing Mrs. Abacha many prosperous years in good health, Professor Gwarzo prayed to Almighty Allah to continue to shower His blessings on the former First Lady and her family members. I pray that God Almighty will grant you grace and strength as well as longer life and the well-being of all your family members, Professor Gwarzo added.